What we got here?
What? Oh, yeah.
Quarantine radio.
Even though I ain't wearing a mask.
You are, but you don't have it on.
Yeah, I don't have it on.
Alright, what we got here, man? What do you think this is, dog? High claim item.
Must be money.
That's kind of bad, like, I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Haha, we got the blade. Alright, what does the side of the box say?
Inspect box and parts for damage before accepting delivery. Oh, you ungoofed.
I mean, he just dropped it.
Oh, well, he ungoofed.
Alright, well, F it. Fragile, this end up. What the?
Not immediately reported, we will not be responsible for shipping damage.
And I added the big hood scoop to the car, which is cracked right here. I gotta fix that and then get the car painted, as y'all know. Oh, and I got it tuned. There's so much stuff I've done to the car and we haven't made videos. Like literally, there's probably, I want to say, how many videos worth of content? At least 4 or 5 that I've done to the car that we never made a video on. Changed the whole fuel system, AN lines.
Sure did. Dang, I forgot.
We didn't record that. There's so much we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut it down the middle.
Oh, yeah. No.
Yes, sir. Hallelujah. What could it be? Pause the video, right? And guess. You don't have to pause.
You said pause?
Orlando froze. Orlando said.
I just said.
Alright, yeah. Pause the video and guess what it is. What could it be? Oh, it comes in pieces?
I think so.
What?
Okay.
Okay. News to me. Yeah. We'll be right back. If you guessed, ladies and gentlemen, if you guessed a wing, you are correct. I've been waiting for this for so long. Literally, the best wing for the GD body style, in my opinion. I mean, you could say STI wing, but honestly, to me, it kills the STI wing. Just the little subtle details that, well, not even little subtle details, the big subtle detail. Alright. Just wait until he gets this off, man. Just wait. Just wait. Oh, come on. Stop playing with him.
Jeez.
They got that wrap because, yeah, you know.
What did this say was worth money? Where's the, yeah.
Hold that real quick. Oh, so we had a little hiccup, right? Oh, hold, I gotta go backwards so they can't see it. So we had a hiccup, right? Yeet. Come on this side. What happened?
Oh, well, we were recording and, well, the battery got low, so.
Shoot. The phone died, but, let's stop stalling, man. Let's just, ooh, wee. Ooh. Ooh. Don't mind the little swirls. I guess that's from where they cleaned it. Oh, man. So what'd you think?
Looks good, man.
Worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it. Definitely looks nice.
That carbon.
Have to get back and get a good like.
That carbon fiber, man. That's what's getting me right now. Like that's real carbon fiber. No sticker. No. It's real. Oh shoot. And of course, it's gonna look weird right now because it's not 100% centered. What else?
It's not painted.
It's not painted, yeah, of course. I like it.
I love it.
1 to 10.
Well, I can't give it anything a 10, so I'll give it a
9.5 point.
I was gonna say 8.7.
Okay, 8.7.
Gotta be fair.
I could agree with that. Now, only thing we're waiting for, I got the Gretty style front lip coming, and then this thing is off to get, well, not getting that painted, but getting this fixed. As you can see, terrible. So I'm having a guy cut all this out and re-weld metal and the front. As you can see, that's not as bad.
We should show them what we did with the engine.
Should be open though. Yeah. Pop the bonnet. Might as well do it while we're at it. Now the engine bay isn't the prettiest, and we still gotta fix some stuff. Coolant's leaking out of here, which is like kind of sucky. So I gotta get an overflow, blah blah blah. But what we did, AM fuel lines, I gotta fix all that stuff still too. There's a lot of stuff I still have to fix, but everything is in there. Yeah. And like I said, I'm not trying to make it a show car, but I just want it to look good going down the street, you know what I'm saying? But not a show car. This is all we have for this video. Just showing you guys this. I can't get over this carbon fiber, man. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. And we are out. Peace. I gotta get this thing mounted. It's still not on, so let's get her on. Deuces.